Welcome to our comparison of two innovative portable washing machines designed for convenience and efficiency. Today, we will take a closer look at the 13L folding mini washer and the upgraded 16L small washer and spin dryer. Both machines are perfect for small spaces, travel, and everyday laundry needs. Let's dive into their features and see how they stack up against each other. The first category we will compare is the washing capacity. The 13L folding mini washer is designed for smaller loads, making it ideal for individuals or couples. In contrast, the upgraded 16L small washer and spin dryer offers a larger capacity, allowing you to wash more items at once, which is perfect for families or those with more laundry needs. This difference in capacity can significantly impact your laundry routine, especially if you frequently wash larger loads. Next, let's look at the features. The 13L model comes with basic washing modes suitable for light laundry tasks. However, the 16L model stands out with its spin dry function, which helps to remove excess water from clothes, making them ready to wear much faster. This added feature can save you time and effort, especially when you're in a hurry. Finally, let's discuss the design and usability of both machines. The 13L folding mini washer is compact and easy to store, making it a great choice for tight spaces. On the other hand, the 16L small washer not only offers a foldable design, but also includes a spin-dry basket, enhancing its usability. Both machines are designed for convenience, but the additional features of the 16L model may provide a better overall experience for users. In conclusion, both portable washing machines have their strengths. The 13L folding mini washer is a budget-friendly option for those with lighter laundry needs, while the upgraded 16L small washer and spin dryer offers more capacity and functionality for a slightly higher price. Consider your laundry habits and space requirements when making your choice. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews.